Hello students, welcome to English grammar class standard 4. Now students, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is lesson number 13, the simple present tense. When we speak or write in order to indicate the time when a particular thing or a action has happened, we use the proper form of the verb. This is called tense. The simple present tense is used to show a truth or a fact, a regularly repeated action or a habit. For example, sentence number 1. We rise early every morning. Second, the sun rises in the east. This sentence shows a fact. Third sentence, I always wash my hands before meals. This sentence indicates a repeated and regular action of your habit. Fourth sentence, a maid washes our clothes. So from all this sentence, it indicates that simple present tense is used to show a truth or a fact, a regularly repeated action or your habit. Remember to use I, we, you, they or plural nouns are with do, go, act, walk, agree, hurry, say, push, think. And for he, she, it, or for a singular noun, it starts with does, acts, walks, agrees, hurries, goes, says, pushes, thinks. So what changes did you notice in the two tables, in plural and in singular nouns? The verb changes. Do converted into does. Act converted into acts. Walk, when it is a plural noun, we are using walk verb. But whenever it is singular, we say walks. Agree, agrees. Hurry, hurries. Go, goes. Say, says. Push, pushes. Think, thinks. Now, here is an exercise for you students. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense of the verbs in the bracket. Now, in the bracket, verbs are given to you. You have to use proper form of that verb. In simple present tense, you have to convert it, that verb, and make it sentence meaningful. For that, you have to keep the above box and their instruction. What to do when there is a plural noun and which verbs we are using during a singular nouns. So, here is the first example, the first sentence. Foxy, our dog, guards our house very well. Now, here is a singular noun. So, we have the guard verb is converted guards. Second sentence, a donkey dash carry heavy loads on its back. So here it is a again singular noun, donkey. So it will be a donkey carries heavy loads on its bags. On its back. Now third example, Vicky plays cricket every morning. Again, the play converted this verb into simple present tense, that is plays. Fourth sentence, your tie match your suit very well. So what will be a match of the simple present tense of the verb? It is matches. Your tie matches your suit very well. Fifth sentence, Minnie go to the temple every day. Again, the given verb, it is in go, and it is in singular. It's talking about singular noun. So the answer will be Minnie goes to the temple every day. Sixth sentence, we study only in the evening. Now what will be a simple present tense of the given verb? The verb is study, and we are talking about many people. It means a plural nouns, we. So what will be answer? We study only in the evening. The answer will be study only, as it is a plural nouns. Girish save his pocket money to give to the poor. Now here again the given noun is singular, Girish. So the answer is of it, the simple present tense of the given verb is Girish, Girish saves his pocket money to give to the poor. Last sentence, the example number 8. I dash like mangoes very much. So here it is about talking about I. So what will be the answer? I like mangoes very much. So here the given noun is here I is a plural noun. So the answer is I like mangoes very much. Now here these all exercises you have to solve in the and complete in your grammar book. Now here are the few extra worksheet for you which you have to solve in your class workbook. The example of the simple present tense. First sentence, my father goes to gym every day. The answer is goes. All the answers are highlighted with red color. Second sentence, she loves to play basketball. The answer is play. Third sentence, she thinks he is very handsome. The answer is thinks. Fourth sentence, I run every weekend. The answer is run. Fifth sentence, we play tennis every morning. The answer is play. Does he write an email? The answer is write. Seventh sentence, they talk too much. The answer is talk. Does he go to school? Go is the answer. Ninth sentence is it usually rains here every day. The rains is a correct answer. The underline answer. The 10th sentence, it smells very delicious in the kitchen. The answer is smells, the simple present tense of the verb form. My son lives in London. The answer is lives. The 12th sentence, my sisters do the ironing. 13th sentence, they make the bed. 14th sentence, my father always washes the cars. 15th sentence, my teacher sometimes forgets his keys. Forgets is the answer. 16th sentence, I like ice cream. Answer is like. 17th sentence, the student wear their uniform. Wear. 18, he gets up early every day. 19th sentence, we walk slowly. 20th sentence, we go to a gallery every day. So students, I hope you all are enjoyed this video and you all understood how to convert the given verbs into simple present tense form. For this you have to keep in your mind that two boxes which I have explained you in the beginning, and you have to see the given noun whether it is a singular or it is a plural, and according to that you have to do those changes in the given verb. So thank you students for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.